Okay, just going to do a little 10-8 duty here in Blain County pickup. Sheriff's Department, 3146 in duty. Just run a quick plate check on this vehicle. It's blipped.
Target license plate 03 Frank Ida Victor 205. Proceed with caution.
A little nervous because your license expired, huh? Well, while we sit here at this red freaking light, which you just ran, and you're in the wrong lane. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Wow. What the heck have we got going on here? Hold it, sir. Hold it. Hold on. What are we doing? Sir. What in the hell? Oh, you're smelling the fumes?
Police!
What the hell is this guy doing? Oh, this is crazy. Dude.
Get bump.
Jim Wells. Is that what it said earlier? Yep, Jim Wells, expired license. Jim, you had the expired license and then you just ran. What? And then you're just smelling the exhaust fumes. Have you been drinking at all? Have you done any narcotics? Because I think I wanna give you a drugalyzer. Oh, okay, so you're on cocaine. Well, that explains quite a bit there. Let's go ahead and take you into custody, dude. Do you have any weapons or anything on you today? Jim? And what about in your vehicle? Jim, let's just go ahead and put you in my vehicle for your own safety. If you don't mind hopping in there, please, Jim. Thank you. Let's take a look inside your vehicle. Yeah, I'm not taking that stolen trailer right now. Alright, nothing of interest. Go ahead and call out tow truck for you, Jim. Very odd one here, this one. Very odd one. Very, very, very odd. But interesting.